proper way of breastfeeding and burping.
The first position in breastfeeding is the cradle hold. The second one is a cross cradle hold. The third one is a football hold. The fourth one is sideline hold. The last one is saddle hold.
Hold the baby upright on your shoulder with a bib or a nappy drop over your shoulder. And underneath the baby's chin, gently rub the baby's back between the shoulder blade. Like this. Sit the baby up on your knee with the chin supported between your finger and thumb. Then pat or rub the back of the baby. Like this. Lay the baby on your lap face downward with the head turned to one side and gently pat or rub his or her back.